might be sitting there wondering, should you even bother learning jQuery and go through this entire course when everyone's kind of switching to these new cool frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue? Well, jQuery still has its place. 75% of websites use it. It still is an excellent library for smaller projects. If you're a beginner, it's super quick and easy to start making fancier, more advanced websites with. And if you are trying to build up to become that Angular, React, or Vue developer, this is going to be an excellent jumpstart for you. And finally, if you're a new coder and you're trying to get a job, your first position, if you know HTML, CSS, and jQuery well, this pretty much guarantees you a position as an entry level developer at agencies who want you to slice and design websites. So that's all I want to say about that. And let's go ahead and jump to the next lesson.